Hi, my name is Chef Ben Diaz, and today I'm going to show you how to make shrimp meatballs. So the reason we're making this with the shrimp is because it's simple, easy appetizers you can have for any and all occasions. So first, we're going to take 1 pound of clean shrimp. We're going to add it to our food processor, followed by 1 large egg. Next, 1 teaspoon of rosemary, followed by 1 teaspoon of lime zest, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Finally, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 cup of shredded Parmesan. We're going to put the lid on our food processor and gently pulse on low for about 4 to 5 minutes until the shrimp is nice and small grained. As you can see here, the grain is very small. Next, we're going to take 1 ounce of our mixture and form small little meatballs. You should have enough to do about 12 to 15 depending on your portion size. And what you have is great simple shrimp meatballs you can use for anything, especially appetizers or after dinner snacks. One recommendation is let them sit for 24 hours so they can fully bloom.